All right, we have here a beautiful Quantum Edge 3 power chair. This power chair has 4 miles, that's why it looks brand new. Beautiful green color, so earthy colors. So we have a Quantum Edge 3 with 4 miles. It has electric tilt, electric recline, and the electric feet. No seat lift. So 3 functions. All the functions can be worked through the joystick or through the switch box. I'm going to use the switch box back here because it's quicker for me. So the first thing I'm going to go with is called the electric tilt. The electric tilt is when the bottom here, the bottom goes back. So when the bottom goes back, it's going to take the legs and it's going to take the back because they're all connected together. This is called the electric tilt. So you could be tilted as far back as this here as we go along here. This is called the electric tilt. The next function I'm going to show you are the electric legs. These buttons here, if you hit it once and the legs go down, hit the button again and it'll go the opposite direction. These are double touch buttons. So if you needed good circulation, you could have your feet all the way up to the ceiling with this chair. And these feet are adjustable, so if you're 5 feet tall or 6'2", we can make them as long as we need. So this is a little extreme, but you could be halfway tilted. So I'm going to bring this seat halfway tilted so you can see your feet would still be above your body if you need some circulation. So right here you'd still be able to get your feet above your body. This would be halfway tilted. Whoop, wrong button. Whoop. As I said, these are double touch buttons, so if you touch them twice they'll either go up or down. So we're going to bring the seat back down to level. Okay. Okay, so the feet are all the way up. The third function is called the electric recline. The electric recline is when the back goes back by itself. You can see the back going back by itself. That's called the electric recline, when just the back goes back. So this is as far back as the back will go. So you can see this is as far back as it'll go. So this would be your flat position, okay? So I'm going to bring the back up and I'm going to bring the legs back down. I'm hitting 2 buttons at once. So the legs are going down, the back is coming up. Now I'm going to stop the legs there and bring the back forward a little bit more to standard position. Now whoever had this chair was pretty tall. As you can see, the legs are way down there. This is probably set up for a 6'2", 6'3" person. If you're outside, make sure that your legs are off the ground a little bit, so if there's any curb or anything like that. You can also tilt the seat back, so you notice how close they are. So if you tilt the seat back a little bit, I'm going to tilt it back a little bit, see, right here? Look how much more clearance you're getting. So you can drive with the seat tilted, look at your legs, okay? So I'm going to bring the tilt back down. So let's look at the base. So right now we've covered the electric tilt, the electric recline, and the electric leg, the 3 functions. If we look at the base right here, you can see we have 14-inch solid wheels, caster wheels in the front, caster wheels in the back, and you can see your anchor point here and here. There's 2 on this side, 2 on the opposite side. There's 4 anchor point. This is where you would secure your chair to your lift if you need to transport this chair, okay? You have a motor, right? You can see the cylinder. There's a motor for each wheel. There's one here. There's one on the opposite side. If I wanted to push this chair right now, I wouldn't be able to push it because this chair weighs probably 375 pounds. It's just a heavy power chair. So if I wanted to push it, I would turn the power off. And the reason you want the power off, you want no resistance in the motor. You have a yellow lever right here. It tells you right there. If you push it down, what that does, it unlocks the wheels, okay? Both sides. Then you can roll it. When you're done, please do not forget, put it back in gear, turn your power back on, and you're ready to go again, okay? Now this chair right here is set up on the left-hand control. So if you wanted to, if you want the joystick on the right side, we'd be able to put it on the right side. But right now you could swing the joystick away from the front. This is called a swing away joystick, but we can do the same on this side, and we can take the cup holder and put it on this side. We can switch the cup holder. This chair has a Roho cushion. This is an air cushion. Most expensive cushion you can get. It's 18 by 20 deep. These seats can be adjusted. If you want this seat to be larger or smaller, we can change the cushion, we can change the back. We can make these chairs adjustable to your height and weight. You have lateral guards here with these. They keep your knees from buckling out. They keep your feet on the foot plate. These are lateral guards here, so it's also included with the chair. You have a safety belt, and on this chair you also have a valve on the cushion. You can pump air in the cushion to pressure, to whatever pressure you want, okay? The back of the chair, you have a fully adjustable headrest. Right here, fully adjustable headrest. And look at the suspension on this chair. That's got separate suspension for the back. And you have the same suspension on both sides and front. These chairs have such a tremendous suspension, it's unbelievable. Okay? So also when you charge this chair, you'll take your charger and you'll plug it below your joystick. And as soon as the light turns green on your charger, you're fully charged. Okay? So the charger knows when the batteries are full. So let's recap. We've got here a Quantum Edge 3, the latest in technology, the latest power chair from Pride Mobility. Quantum Edge 3, electric tilt, electric recline, electric feet. This chair is 4 miles. It has the swing away joystick, the flip up arms, the Roho cushion, the safety belt. It also has on this chair headlights, and it has tail lights. You can see them right there. And this is a mid-wheel drive, so it turns on its own length. So if you're looking for a really nice top-of-the-line power chair with electric tilt, electric recline, electric feet, drain cup holder, swing away joystick, you can be on the right or the left, Roho cushion, this would be a really nice one to look at. Then the light switch is right here. When you tap it, the lights turn off. This is a beautiful chair, green in color, ready to go. So this is the Quantum Edge 3 power chair with tilt, recline, and legs. Top speed on this power chair is 6 miles an hour. Very smooth. This has got the suspension I was telling you about in the front and the same suspension in the back, as you can see in the back right there. Those suspension on those Quantum Edge, all the Quantum Edge have that suspension. This is the latest suspension. They're just a smooth power chair. When you're, even if you're on uneven terrain, cracked sidewalk, you can feel the difference. These are comfort chairs. This one does have the electric tilt, the electric recline, and the electric feet. And this one had very low mileage. This chair has no problem through the grass because of its suspension. So if you have decent grass with a good bottom, it should go through. You know, if you go to a baseball field, flea market, auto show where there's grass which has been cut, this should have no problem going through that grass. So this chair has less than a mile on it. It's that beautiful green color. It has the headlights, the adjustable seat, the cup holder. The joystick's on the left, but if you're right-handed, we can put it on the right side. Just a beautiful power chair. And it's a sharp-looking power chair. It's a really nice color. It's available right now.
Hi, I'm Mark.
And my name is Alex.
We are a family-owned business for over 25 years.
We have many products available, not just what you see in this video. If you would like to learn more, you can call the number below at 800-677-6293, or you can visit us directly at www.marcsmobility.com.